Okay, I saw a video on welding with batteries on the YouTube, and the guy was using 24 volts, and I thought it was plausible, but anyway, here are the actual results. He didn't show the amps and the volts of the test. Now we're showing 38 amps or volts right here, and we're set on 40 amps right here. Now I'm going to weld here in a second. I'm going to weld a couple of times, and this voltage, it's going to jump around. The amperage is going to jump around also. So I'll weld a couple of times just to let you have an idea of what I'm seeing. And I'm going to use like a 3/32 stainless steel rod. The leads right here are about I think it's a 10 gauge stranded wire. So we can get a weld, and then we can do the amps and the volts. Okay, are you ready, Cheryl? Okay, now look at the rod right here. See that rod glowing red hot. Okay, this time we're gonna read the amps and the volts. Okay. Let's read the amps and volts again, in case you missed it. I'm seeing like 13 to 15 amps, and probably 35 volts. Rod all the way up that high. But anyway, it works, and in fact, we'll get a Cheryl. Get a picture of these two welds right here, real quick. Right there. Not bad. Not bad penetration. There's lots of possibilities here. It'll even probably, I think the car batteries will give you a longer time to weld, but if you're in an emergency situation, I think some small batteries would work just as well, and it'll give you 5 minutes or 10 minutes to do your job. So anyway, I want to thank Interstate Battery for sponsoring me on a lot of this right here, and your advice from all you guys.